Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And guess where we are? We are on a London Zoo. Yes, London Zoo. So we've just seen some wolves. I'm going to turn the camera around. Great European wolves. I don't know if you can see them, but this is where they are and this is where they live. So they are related to dogs. It looks like a large guinea pig. Yeah, it looks like a large guinea pig. I'm not too sure. If you guys know what this is, comment down below. I can't really seem to see what it is. There's a few over there. And it's eating grass, so it's clearly vegetarian. Make sure you guys eat your veggies. So this is what a British zoo looks like. And then we go in one of these go-kart things, that's what you travel around the zoo is. So, fun. We've just spotted a rhino, a black rhino. So this is where they kind of live. And look at this, guys. This is a monkey sort of hut. And they've got this really lovely playground. And I think they're getting fed. Look at, can you guys see them? I know in Kenya and other parts of Africa, you just see monkeys roaming around on their own. Look at it there, can you see? Can you see guys? King Kong of the jungle, the mighty jungle. Look at it. We've got a lady here cleaning. She must be very comfortable with the monkeys. Love these kind of zoos because the animals are still in their natural habitat, but they get to be taken care of and make sure they're not endangered, which is very nice. So yeah, let's see what else we can find. Look at these baboons, look at them. You know what, I think this is why, because you know they say humans are close to baboons. This is why we got big booties, because look at their booty. Big booty. Hello girl, big booty. Big booty. Look at them. They look so happy. This is what I'm saying. Obviously it's much better for them to be in their natural habitat, but look how happy they are. They're just living their best life. And they get fed, they get taken care of, and they got all this space. Look at them. Look at him. How nice is it? Do we look alike? Jakes. Eva's here. I love how they've got these things in nice little cages. Look at them, they're so beautiful. Reminds me of a chinchilla coat. Look how big this gorilla is. Look at him. He's so big. What a do, buddy. Look at him, he's looking at me. He is so big, honestly. Hi. Hi. Hiya! What's your name? Why are you ignoring me? He's massive. Oh my god, he's so big. So how lovely are these little huts? So this is 600 acres of land. It is so cold. Considering I was in Kenya and Zanzibar and Dubai, I am freezing. My hands are so cold. But it is so nice to be home. Hi! Hi Lion, Mr. and Mrs. Lion. Look at this. Oh wow. A perfect place to take a picture, but in this weather, who wants to be standing here in the freezing cold taking pictures? But look at this view. 600 acres. Can you guys believe this used to be somebody's house? Imagine living here. People were living good back in the days. But I've been able to see a tiger. Please don't go, come back. Oh, there is it. Look how beautiful that is. That is such a beautiful animal. Oh, they're playing. Oh, so cute. There's two of them. Wow, guys. Look how close I am. Literally, I can basically touch it. I wouldn't know because I wouldn't have a finger left. But how beautiful. Tigers, hi Dolly. Hi tigers, hi Dolly. Oh guys, how beautiful is it? Look at the little pond. You've got all this. You've got this beautiful, beautiful hotel. 600 acres. How big is that? And a lot of people here also have weddings here, which you can't really blame them for. It's like a fairy tale. Get some people having afternoon tea there. Honestly, this is so beautiful. Oh, I should have bought my tripod and took some pictures. Don't know why I didn't do that, but look how beautiful it is. Look at this. And then guys, just literally breathtaking. Look at the deco. Of this. How beautiful. You just feel like you're in a fairy tale. Look at this. And you got like a nice. Oh, it's so warm. And look at this painting in this room. Look at the painting. Clearly gonna be something going on, but look at the painting. All hand painted. Got a nice Christmas tree. This is what really gets me. It's so pretty. Look, honestly, this is one of the most beautiful hotels I've ever been to. It's so old, but so, I don't know how to explain it. 600 acres. I wonder what that is. The patches. It's like they're growing something. Wow. Got this lovely kind of bar area with all these Egyptians and a real fireplace. How lucky am I to be able to experience this? So now I'm gonna go and see the elephants, and then after I see the elephants, I'm gonna go and see the zebras, not zebras, the giraffes, and then I'm gonna have some lunch. And then that's it, guys. Yeah, but how, honestly, I'm so in awe of how beautiful this place is. Try your hardest to experience things in life because you've only got one life. That's it. Looks like a normal cat. Guess it's part of the cat family. Just spotted a leopard. Don't know if you guys can see it, but how beautiful does it look? So this is what it would look like. I think some of the animals are hibernating because it is so cold. Look at my nose, it's red, it's so cold. The name of the animal underneath. I'm not too sure if this is a big enough space for such large animals, but I'm sure they know best. And here, you guys, we have the elephant. Part of the hotel has this amazing library. And look how it smells like a library. It smells like old books. And this is a man who used to own the house. Such a beautiful library. And this is him again. And all these other animals that they have here. So you got elephants that you've seen, monkeys, lions, tigers. It's a beautiful, like, rounded shape. This is the Moroccan terrace. Look how beautiful it is. And you have these like bathtubs. I think now they probably use them as flower pots. How pretty is this? This would be a picture perfect place to take a picture in the summer. And this is the original door that the gentleman was standing, which is at the front door. How nice. My favourite part, I've shown you guys this 1,000 times. Oh, their toilets are. And then the ladies is up here. Favorite animal, and then you have your girl. So that is it, guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I bet you thought we didn't have animals, and yes we do. We have animals. Yes, we import them, but yes, we have animals. Again, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Till next time, Dolly's World.